6 benefits of sleeping with egg white on your face. Egg whites are best known for being a great diet food. In recent years, it has also been touted as one of the best ingredients for facial masks. These masks provide a variety of benefits for facial skin when kept on for hours or even overnight. Here are 6 things that will happen to your face when you sleep with egg white on your face. Do these regularly if you want flawless facial skin. All 6 tips have different ways to mix the egg white with other ingredients, so watch each step to learn how to properly mix the concoction. 1. Firms up the skin. Amazing skin rejuvenation. Egg whites help tighten the skin because it firms your skin when it is dried. Furthermore, it has proteins and collagen that aid skin rejuvenation. To use egg whites for firming up the skin, take the whites of 1 cold egg and mix it with 1 teaspoon of tapioca starch. Combine them well to make sure that your mask won't be clumpy. Apply on your whole face, avoiding the eyes, eyelids, and lips. Keep it on overnight and rinse it off in the morning. 2. Tightens pores. Egg whites help minimize the appearance of pores because of their astringent properties. To use egg whites for tightening pores, mix the whites of 1 egg with the juice of a small lemon wedge. Apply the mixture onto your face and let it dry. If it feels itchy or unbearable as soon as it has dried, wash it off. But if you can tolerate it while you sleep, leave it on overnight and wash it upon waking. 3. Helps control oil. Because of its pore tightening and skin firming benefits, egg whites are also able to minimize sebum production in people with oily skin. To use egg whites for controlling facial oil, take the whites of 1 cold egg and mix it with a tablespoon of quick cooking oats. Once properly combined, apply the mixture to your face and keep on overnight. Rinse off thoroughly when you wake up. 4. Reduces wrinkles. Because it can firm up the skin, it is also capable of reducing the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. To use egg whites for minimizing wrinkles, take the whites of 1 egg and blend it with a half teaspoon of grapeseed oil. Once properly mixed and frothy, apply it to your face. Leave this on overnight and wash it off the next day. 5. Removes facial hair. When egg whites dry up on the skin, they're incredibly firm, and when an egg white mask is peeled off, it takes with it small facial hairs and other blemishes. This makes the skin look cleaner and clearer. To use egg whites for removing facial hair, take the whites of 1 cold egg and blend it until frothy. Using a mask brush, apply the frothy whites onto your face. Then take pieces of facial tissue to apply over the whites. To make sure the whites stay on your face, apply another layer so that the tissues completely absorb it. Keep this on overnight and peel it off in the morning. 6. Treat acne scars. The collagen and amino acid content of egg whites makes it ideal for treating acne scars. Its firming properties further help encourage the appearance of smooth skin. To use egg whites to treat acne scars, simply take the whites of a cold egg and combine it with 4 drops of vitamin E oil. Whisk the mixture until frothy and then apply to your skin, taking care to cover all areas where acne scars are prevalent. Then leave it on to dry overnight and wash it off in the morning. These 6 benefits of sleeping with egg white on your face are everything people look for in good skin products. It's a wonder that something so common, accessible, and inexpensive can offer so much value to skincare just by leaving it on for hours or overnight. Thank you for watching. If you liked the video, please share with your friends and please subscribe to our channel if you haven't already done so. If you want to be notified of our new uploads, do the following. New subscribers, click on the bell icon when you subscribe. Old subscribers, please turn on all your notifications.